I'm starting. Alright. Toss-up physics short answer. A 3 ohm external resistor is connected to a 14-volt battery with an internal resistance of 4 ohms. In watts, what is the power dissipated by that? Peter, interrupt.
2.
Sorry, that's incorrect. I'll reread for the other team. Toss-up physics short answer. A 3 ohm external resistor is connected to a 14-volt battery with an internal resistance of 4 ohms. In watts, what is the power dissipated by the resistor? Anurag?
12.
That is correct. Give me 1 second to set something up before I start, because I forgot to. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's neg. Then 4 for Anurag, right? Okay. Alright, bonus physics short answer. Identify all the following 3 interactions which must conserve strangeness. 1, strong. 2, weak. 3, electromagnetic.
Probably not electromagnetic. Yeah, 1 and 3 sounds right. Okay, 1 and 3 final.
That is correct. Okay. Alright, okay, bio skipped. Toss up math short answer. The 3 real numbers a, b, c form both an arithmetic and a geometric sequence. If a equals 28, then what is the value of c? Jonathan.
28.
That's correct.
Nice.
Bonus math short answer. A line with slope 2 is graphed on the Cartesian plane. If the line is rotated by 45 degrees counterclockwise about the origin, what is the new slope of the line?
What did it say originally?
2 slope.
Slope was 2. Okay.
And then rotate it 4.
Negative 1/2, but someone should write it down next time. Okay?
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Negative 1/2 final.
Sorry, is
Yeah.
incorrect. Correct answer is negative 3. Toss up at Earth and space multiple choice. Which of the following is closest to the speed of a gravitational wave in terms of c? W 0.4 c. X Viraj.
C.
That is correct. Bonus Earth and space short answer. Identify all the following 3 rocks that have a phaneretic texture. 1 granite, 2 basalt, 3 gabbro.
Should be 1 and 3. Yeah, like 1 and 3.
Yeah.
Cool. 1 and 3 final.
That's correct. Toss up 5, chemistry short answer. Elemental boron at standard temperature and pressure forms an icosahedral structure. If each boron-boron bond has an enthalpy of formation of 300 kilojoules per mole, what is the standard molar enthalpy of formation of icosahedral boron? Vish.
0.
That is correct. Alright. Bonus chemistry multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the characteristics of the sigma and sigma star orbitals in HF? W. Sigma has F character. Sigma star has H character. X. Sigma has H character. Sigma star has F character. Y. Both sigma and sigma star have F character. Z. Both sigma and sigma star have H character.
Like W, right? Because like
Yeah,
this.
W.
Yeah, okay. Just like confirming, right? Because like. Okay, I'm just gonna go W then.
Yeah. It's W. It's W.
W final.
That's correct.
Nice.
Toss up energy, multiple choice. Researchers at Pacific Northwest National Lab are studying nuclear waste drainage by modeling the behavior as a laminar flow. Which of the following best describes laminar flow? W. Low velocity, low Reynolds number. X. Low velocity, high Reynolds number. Y. Jonathan.
Y.
Sorry, it's incorrect. I'll reread for the other team. Toss up energy, multiple choice. Researchers at Pacific Northwest National Lab are studying nuclear waste drainage by modeling the behavior as a laminar flow. Which of the following best describes laminar flow? W. Low velocity, low Reynolds number. X. Low velocity, high Reynolds number. Y. High velocity, low Reynolds number. Z. High velocity, high Reynolds number. Anurag.
W.
That's correct. Bonus energy, short answer, or multiple choice. Researchers at Ames National Lab have been employing platinum nanoparticle-based catalysts in the recycling of polyolefin plastics. Which of the following combinations of carbon chain lengths and nanoparticle diameters would result in the fastest reaction? Small chain and small nanoparticle. X, small chain and large nanoparticle. Y, large chain and small nanoparticle. Z, large chain and large nanoparticle.
Probably small nanoparticle. Maybe like large chain, small nanoparticle, or it's both small. What do you think?
Large chain, small. I'm not sure between large and small. But I think small particle is right.
Okay.
Let's go for one.
Okay. Final answer: large chain, small nanoparticle.
Sorry, is incorrect. Correct answer is Z, large chain, large nanoparticle. Toss-up physics, multiple choice. Suppose that a region has a coefficient of static friction equal to its coefficient of kinetic friction. Which of the following best describes the shape of the graph of the applied force versus the frictional force acting on the block? W, straight line with non-zero slope. X, horizontal straight line. Y, Anurag. Or, sorry, Peter.
W.
Sorry, that's incorrect. I'll reread for the other team. Toss-up physics, multiple choice. Suppose that a region has a coefficient of static friction equal to its coefficient of kinetic friction. Which of the following best describes the shape of a graph of the applied force versus the frictional force acting on the block? W, straight line with non-zero slope. X, horizontal straight line. Y, diagonal straight line followed by horizontal line. Z, diagonal straight line followed by vertical line. Anurag.
Y.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Correct answer is Z. Okay. Alright. Toss up biology multiple choice. Humans and dogs each contain a gene coding for the cytochrome C protein in their genome. However, the sequence of nucleotizing each gene differs. Which of the following best describes the relationship between the cytochrome C genes in humans and dogs? W, orthologous. X, paralogous. Y, homoplasy. Z, anaplasy. Jonathan.
W.
Sorry, what'd you say?
W.
That's correct. Bonus biology. Short answer. The TI plasmid is the most commonly used vector for introducing new genes into plant cells. This plasmid originates from what genus of bacteria?
This is like agrobacterium. Alright, thanks for it.
Go with whatever.
Agrobacterium final.
That is correct. Toss-up math, short answer. In radians, what is the value of the inverse cotangent of the square root of 3? Jonathan.
Y over 6.
That is correct. Bonus math, short answer. A bug is situated at the origin of the Cartesian plane. Each minute, the bug randomly moves 1 unit left, right, up, or down with equal probability. What is the probability that the bug will be exactly 1 unit away from the origin after 3 minutes?
I thought about this once.
How many seconds does it take for each move? Or does it say?
That's 1 minute.
1 minute, so 3 moves.
Oh, okay.
So probably it's
Oh, that's not like it's 1
5 seconds.
One half
Guess
final.
what?
7 over 16 final.
I heard 1/2 final first, but all the answers
Oh.
are incorrect anyways. It's 9 over 16.
Cute.
Alright, toss up Earth and space, short answer. Order the following 3 features in increasing distance from the coastline. 1, continental shelf. 2, continental slope. 3, Peter.
1, 2, 3.
That's correct, 4. Why am I saying that? This is not quizable. Bonus Earth and space, short answer. A rapidly rotating star of 20 solar masses collapses such that it emits intense radiation and gas along its axis of rotation. What type of stellar explosion, which is the result of an extreme core collapse scenario, would most likely be the result of this process?
There's
I don't
something
know.
other than supernova, like nova, hypernova. I don't know what's going on.
I don't know. It shouldn't be a nova. I feel like it would be a supernova, but that's too easy. I'm good with
Yeah.
hypernova.
5 seconds.
Hypernova final.
That's correct.
Nice.
Nice.
Get it?
Can I call a timeout
Yeah,
for
sure.
Montana?
Pretty good score as well.
Yeah, score I have 32 to 38. Devansh teams up. Yeah, this is toss up 11. Are you guys doing subs or no?
No, I just want a little bit of time. So.
Okay. Alright, both teams are able to sub if you guys want, but I guess Devansh team doesn't matter.
Yeah, we don't have enough people to do that.
No. Alright, I guess I have 10 seconds left.
Okay, we're good.
Alright, cool. Alright, guys ready to start it back up?
Sure.
Alright, cool. Toss-up chemistry, short answer. When a semiconductor is doped with a p-type dopants, it results in the formation of what quasi-particle? Anurag.
Electron holes.
That is correct for 4. Why do I keep saying? Bonus chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following energies in which of the following energies in joules is closest to the cutoff energy of gamma ray? W 10 to the negative 22. X 10 to the negative 18. Y 10 to the negative 14. Z 10 to the negative 10.
It's either Y or Z. 10 to the negative 19 is about like visible. So maybe Ziggy?
Sure.
Alright. Oh,
You have some time.
suspect.
I'm not too sure about this
Maybe
either.
Y.
5 seconds.
Let me go Y. Y final?
That is correct. Alright, last question before the half. Toss-up energy, short answer. Researchers at Argonne National Lab are using the Advanced Photon Source to study mutation developments in SARS-CoV-2 to better learn how to target specific immune cells in vaccines that secrete antibodies. In mRNA-based vaccines, what lymphocyte is induced that matured Anurag?
B cell?
That is correct. Bonus or energy, short answer. Researchers at Argonne National Lab are studying the levels of conductivity during phase changes. The researchers found that under certain conditions, a magnetic state of matter is formed where the electron spin causes an insulating property. What is the term for this magnetic property stemming from an anti-parallel electron spin alignment?
Like, is this like fairy magnetism or some crap? Or are you sure it's anti-fairy? I feel like this is a fairy magnetic thing. Or anti-fairy.
Fairy magnetic?
Yeah, fairy.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Sure, go for it.
Okay. Fairy magnetic final.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Correct answer is anti-ferromagnetism.
I'm throwing. My bad.
Alright, that's the half.
That's my fault
You guys
too.
will have a 2-minute break. Let me know if there's any subs as well. Oh yeah, the score of the half is 50 to 38. Mount Ellis is up. 30 seconds left.
The team's okay. Can we just start now?
Are both teams okay with just starting now?
I'm okay with that, I think.
Alright, cool. We can just start now then. It's 15
I'll
seconds.
pretend I know what the rest of my team thinks.
Yep. Alright, whatever. We're just gonna start now. Because this. Okay. Now we're out of time, anyways. Alright, toss up physics short answer. Suppose that a spring's displacement is increased by 50%. By what percent is the potential energy stored in the. Jonathan?
125.
That is correct. Bonus physics short answer. 4 particles with a charge of 2 coulombs are placed in a square with a side length of 3 centimeters. To one significant figure, any scientific notation, what is the force on one of the charges due to the other 3 charges? Five seconds.
Wait,
100. I don't know.
Sorry, that's incorrect. And also time. Correct answer is 8 times 10 to the 13th. Toss up biology multiple choice. Phytochromes are photoreceptors that absorb which of the following colors of light most intensely? W, green, X, blue, Y, Jonathan, interrupt.
X.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Read for the team. Toss up biology multiple choice. Phytochromes are photoreceptors that absorb which of the following colors of light most intensely? W, green, X, blue, Y, yellow, Z, red. Vish?
Red.
Yeah, that's correct. Alright. Bonus biology short answer. Identify all the following 3 statements that are true concerning action potentials. 1. They generally occur after a hyperpolarization. 2. Their magnitude is independent of the strength of the stimulus. 3. Immediately after an action potential, the membrane potential hyperpolarizes.
So wait,
Is it
what
like
was one?
okay? One's wrong.
Wait, one's wrong. Okay.
I think like 2 and 3 are right.
Wait, what was one again?
One is
I-
like action potential occurs after hyperpolarization, which I think is
5
wrong.
seconds.
Okay,
Okay.
go
go
for
2 and
Jordan.
3.
2 and 3 final.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Correct answer is 2 only. Toss up math multiple choice. Which of the following primes cannot be represented as a sum of 2 squares? W, 197, X, 211, Y, 240, Jonathan.
X.
That is correct. Bonus math short answer. Simplify the fraction with numerator 2 plus I and denominator 3 plus I.
Okay, that's what I get.
Five
Go
seconds.
for it. I forgot what I was asking.
Alright, that sounds
Denominator
right.
10.
Sorry, what'd you say?
The fraction with numerator 7 plus I and denominator 10.
That is correct.
Nice.
Alright. Toss up Earth and space short answer. Identify all the following 3 locations at which the salinity of shallow water increases with increasing depth. 1. Tropics. 2. Poles. 3. Equator. Saheb.
None.
Sorry, it's incorrect. No penalty. Peter.
3 only.
Sorry, it's incorrect. Correct answer is 2 only. Give me a second. I messed up the score sheets. Let's go. Okay, so Peter. Okay, and then 0. Okay, cool. Give me 1 sec. Check something. Okay, cool. Score check. 54 to 52. Mount Ellis is up. Alright, this is also toss up 17. I said, salinity of shallow water increases with increasing depth. Alright, anyways, toss up chemistry, multiple choice. Which of the following is false regarding the azeotrope formed by a 20% concentration of HCl and an 80% concentration of water? W. It is a negative azeotrope. X. It is a maximum boiling azeotrope. Y. It has negative enthalpy of mixing. Z. It has a higher vapor pressure than predicted by Raoult's law. Anurag?
Z.
That is correct. Bonus chemistry, short answer. Shoot, I scrolled all the way up. Sorry. Bonus chemistry, short answer. A primary alcohol undergoes acid catalyzed dehydration to form an ether. Identify all the following three numbers that could be the number of carbon atoms in the major product of the reaction. 1, 5, 2, 6, 3, 7.
Just like 2 only? Because like it's even, right?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Just want to make sure. Okay.
Yeah, 2 only.
Alright, 2 only final.
That's correct. Toss-up energy, short answer. Researchers at Argonne National Lab have been tracking the production and usage of several fuel additives in order to find them more environmentally available. What biofuel additive is likely being studied that is synthesized from corn and Anurag, interrupt?
Ethanol.
That is correct. Toss-up energy, short answer. Scientists at SLAC National Labs have been studying the formation of a state of matter believed to exist at the cores of giant planets. What regimen are they studying, which exists between condensed matter and hot plasma?
Condensed.
So Bose-Einstein condensates, maybe?
A metallic hydrogen, I think, is right.
Oh, okay. That's
I
in like
don't-
Jupiter or something, right?
Yeah. Oh, I don't.
I don't think. I mean, maybe if
5
you
seconds.
have no other guess, but that seems wrong.
Alright, metallic hydrogen final.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Correct answer is warm, dense matter.
Oh, okay, whatever.
Toss-up physics, short answer. Identify all the following three types of scattering that are elastic. 1. Rayleigh. 2. Raman. 3. Vish. Interrupt.
And 3.
Sorry, it's incorrect. I'll reread for the team. But just to make sure, what did you say?
I said 1 and 3.
Okay, alright. Toss-up physics, short answer. Identify all the following three types of scattering that are elastic. 1. Rayleigh. 2. Raman. 3. Compton. Ashmit.
None.
Sorry, it's incorrect. Correct answer is 1 only. Toss-up biology, short answer. Identify all the following three animals that have an alimentary canal. 1. Earthworm. 2. Cockroach. 3. Flatworm. Jonathan.
All.
Sorry, it's incorrect. No penalty. Anurag.
2 and 3.
Sorry, it's incorrect. Correct answer is 1 and 2. Toss-up math multiple choice. What is the maximum number of negative roots that the polynomial x to the 10 minus 3x to the 9th plus x to the 6th minus x cubed plus x can have according to Descartes' rule of sign? W4, x3, y2, z1. Jonathan.
X.
That is incorrect. No penalty. Vish.
4.
Sorry, that's incorrect. Correct answer is z1. It was negative signs, by the way, but yeah. Toss up Earth and space multiple choice. The presence of molecular clouds in the Milky Way can be identified most easily by spectral line emissions from which of the following compounds? W. Carbon dioxide. X. Vish.
Carbon monoxide.
That's correct for, yeah. Alright, bonus Earth and space. Short answer. What is the name of the location in the HR diagram at which protostars lose their cocoons and become detectable at visible wavelengths?
Earthline, I think.
Okay, go for that.
Shoot.
Makes
Yeah, let me
sense, yeah,
think.
Birdline.
Yeah, you can direct that.
Earthline final.
That's correct. Okay. Is it? Yeah, it's the last toss up. What? Okay. Score check is 82 to 52. So. Alright, toss up chemistry, short answer. Order the following three compounds by increasing boiling point. 1. Trimethylamine. 2. Diethyl ether. 3. Ethanol. Jonathan.
213.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
213.
Sorry, it's incorrect. No penalty. Anurag.
231.
Stars incorrect. Correct answer is 1, 2, 3. That's the game.